everyone, welcome back to my channel Rap to Fab. So first of all, wish you all a very happy new year. Probably this is going to be the last video of my 2020 and also 6 months down the journey and very far to go. And thank you each one of you जिसने starting से लेके अब तक support किया है and obviously उनको भी जो नहीं कर रहे, but that's okay. So today I'm going to create this glam party look which is very easy yet very glam smoky look. You can call this black or green aqua bluish smoky eye look, and it's very easy with minimal eyeshadow products. So if you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and let's start a very new beginning from 2021 and keep supporting, keep loving. Now without further ado, let's get started. So starting with a moisturizer, and I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer. After that, I'm going to moisturize my lips. For that, I'm using Nivea Lip Balm in the flavor Cherry. I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. This will make your makeup last longer and give you more smoother base. Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Natural Puff, and I will blend this out with a Dab Beauty sponge. LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to hide my dark spots. Maybelline Fit Me Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair to highlight a little more. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder for baking or setting your entire face. I'm not going to bake today. I'm just taking few powder and just setting my entire area wherever I have applied the concealer. So up next is NYX setting spray to set the base. And now moving on to eyebrows. First I'm just combing it naturally, and then I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's completely over. Whatever the rest over product is inside, I'm just using it as my brow filler very lightly, and then again I will comb back. And now for bronzing, I'm using Maybelline Master Contour Palette and just very quickly and lightly bronzing all over the places, just to give my face some little dimensions. After that, I'm going to apply some blush which is from Biotic in the shade Coral. So this is the blush from Biotic in the shade Coral, and I am literally applying it all over my cheeks, nose, temples, everywhere, because ये बहुत ही जल्दी गायब हो जाता है, you must know that. And after that, moving on, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. So now finally moving on to the eyes, I'm using this kajal which is from VLCC brand, and I'm very roughly just going to apply this on my lid. And now with the help of a small blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges and move on to next eyeshadow, which is from K Beauty eyeshadow stick in the shade Jaded Glow. And now, same as the kajal, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid very roughly and blend it out with the same small blending brush once again. Now make sure that you are spending a good amount of time in blending out these eyeshadows, otherwise it won't look as good as this. So next, moving on to the eyeshadow palette, which is from Jaclyn Hill's Dupe palette, and I'm taking that darker green aqua bluish type of the shade, and with the help of a big blending brush, OMG, that's a fallout, I am just going to apply it on my crease and blending out the edges very nicely. So lastly, I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosy in the Air, and taking that transition shade and applying it in all over my crease and blending out all the hard edges very nicely, and that's the entire look. And now, with the help of the same small blending brush, I am just applying it on my lower waterline without taking any of the extra product, and that's it. And now, after applying the white kajal, I am using the same highlighter to highlight underneath my brows and inner eye corners. Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and after that I will apply some falsies and bright bead back. Maybelline Superstay Matic in the shade Versatile. And lastly, using the same setting spray to set the entire face. And let's pray together that this year brings joy, harmony and peace in each one of our life. With that, I'll take a leave and keep glowing, party hard, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!